Hey guys, what's going on? It's me again. I'm back with another adventure. Today I am in Tucson, Arizona. I'm going to be hiking for about 8.2 miles. It's going to be a whole day of hiking. It's going to be so much fun. It is a beautiful day for a hike, you guys. It's only going to be 91 degrees as the high. It's a little humid, but I'm feeling really good. I have my water, my snacks. I'm ready to go. It's going to be about 8.2 miles round trip, and I'm going to be gaining about 1,000 feet of elevation, so it's going to be moderate, and I'm super excited. I'm doing it solo today, so we'll see how that goes. I can hear water rushing already, and I am so ready to get wet. You guys, I'm sweating like crazy. It's so humid. It's been raining a lot, so I mean, that means the waterfall is gonna be flowing super nicely. So excited, looking forward to see that. It's been on my bucket list for a few years now, and I'm finally here. So yep, if you decide to come and visit this place, come prepared to get wet. All right, so here we go. I'll let you know if it's cold. It is cold, but it feels really good. Whew. Oh my God. Look at that. According to the map, I've been hiking for almost half of the trail, and I made it to this spot. So as you can see, there's a little place to sit down. I'm probably gonna eat a snack, and also there's a faucet where you can get some water. I don't know if it's drinking water. I don't want to risk it. I have my own water, but yeah, there's some water here if you need to wash your hands. Something about the sound of the water makes me so relaxed and so calm. Somebody told me that we are going to be crossing the creek 6 times, and here shortly we're approaching the first crossing. So let's see how that goes. All right, here we go, guys. Oh, somebody left some shoes. Not bad at all, you guys. It actually feels really nice. It's making me cool down a little bit. I've been sweating like crazy. I'm not used to this humid weather, so I'm not complaining about the water. It feels really, really good. Did it! We did it! Lo hicimos! That was super cool, you guys. I feel refreshed, relaxed. I'm enjoying this hike, this beautiful views, this weather, everything about it today is amazing. So I'm looking forward to the next crossing. That was super fast. We are approaching crossing number 2. Let's do this. This one actually looks a little wider, but the water is not too high, so I feel safe. See, it's not too bad. It's actually really, really, really nice. Oh, a little breeze. I love it here. Oh my goodness. And that's it. You want me to sing that song again? We did it. We did it. Lo hicimos. I need to stop. I'm gonna get a copyright strike if I keep doing that. Something is not adding up, you guys. Apparently I am at crossing number 4, but I never crossed number 3, so I guess the previous one counted for 2. I don't know, but according to the map this is crossing number 4, and yeah, so not complaining. I'm closer to the waterfall. Let's do this. Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's getting a little too jungly for my taste. I am terrified of snakes, and I don't want to have an encounter right now because I'm alone and nobody would hear me scream. Maybe you will. Nobody else. Good news, I'm almost there. Well, I have 2 more crossings and then I'm there. I just need to keep my eye open and I will be okay. Alright. Approaching crossing number 5. Ooh, I'm really enjoying this, you guys. Going in and out of the water is so refreshing. I think I said that every time I cross, but for real though, this is very enjoyable. Perfect summer hike here in Tucson, Arizona. So I was expecting 6 crossings. Somebody told me that yesterday. According to the map, there's 7, but there was one that didn't exist and it was marked on the map, and there was another one that was not on the map, but it was actually here. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, it doesn't matter how many crossings. It's still a beautiful hike, very enjoyable. If you're not used to the humidity, you're gonna suffer a little bit, but honestly, I haven't seen the waterfall yet, and I am satisfied. I'm enjoying this so much. So just a little longer, and we will be there. So stay tuned, keep watching. So this is the number 7, the last one. This one looks a little more intense than the other ones. So, all right, let's do this. See you on the other side. I won't be able to use my camera, so I'll meet you over there, yeah? Let's go. It's not that bad. I thought it was gonna be worse, but it's really not. Yay! How beautiful this is. I love it. Alright guys, we did it. I would lie to you if I tell you I'm not tired. I'm so tired. But you know what? I'm almost there. And I know it's going to be worth it. So let's push a little longer. Final stretch. Whew, look at this view. Holy shit, it's right there. and it looks so amazing. Oh my god, it was so worth it. Let me show you. That was absolutely amazing. I spent a good amount of time playing around the water, enjoying the breeze. It was absolutely amazing. I highly recommend you to check it out. But if you decide to come in, make sure to do your research, because this waterfall is only flowing during monsoon season. It's a seasonal waterfall, so it's not always flowing. So do your research, and if you have the opportunity, it's worth it. It's totally worth it. And this is how we come to the end of today's adventure. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet, because I have more adventures coming up and you don't want to miss out. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.